Hello, ni hao. My name is Lubomir Němec and I am the marketing manager of SVCS. And I would like to tell you something about our company. SVCS Process Innovation. We are a manufacturer of front-end semiconductor equipment from the heart of Europe. Last year, we celebrated 20 years of existence, but our experience is based on a long history and tradition of the semiconductor industry in former Czechoslovakia, in a place called Czech Silicon Valley. History of this Czech Silicon Valley is dated down to 50s of the last century. In those years of the Cold War, access to advanced technologies was restricted for strategic reasons. So essential independent development took place, starting with production equipment, components, measuring instruments, and resulting in establishing school for semiconductor specialists. Before the fall of the Iron Curtain, the Tesla Rožnov Industrial Park employed over 10,000 people. History continues. Now we are at 80s. After November 1989, the new economic situation took place. Radical turning point was breakup of Tesla Rožnov and the takeover of the leftover local plants by the US-based company Motorola. Production of wafers and chips can continue now under the new conditions of the global economy. This made it also possible to form several new companies in the Czech Silicon Valley, manufacturing thermocouples, humidity sensors, and solar panels. Here you can see on the left there is an old picture from wafer production at the old times. You can see the stuff didn't wear any spacesuit, but if you look to the right, the modern times, it's how we know it today. And we are getting to our production plant. It's a new modern building where we manufacture, design, and develop all our equipment. We have also our own clean room where we assemble every gas systems and do the orbital weldings. Here is some photo of our clean room. So what we do? We have 4 product lines. We have furnaces for atmospheric LPCVD and PECVD processes. We have ultra high purity media delivery systems. We have equipment control system, and we have also so-called hookups. So let's take a closer look to our top product. It's a horizontal furnace for atmospheric LPCVD and PECVD processes. It can be configured from 1 to 4 tube variant. We have also automation for this horizontal furnace. It's a boat transporter for 6 and 8 inch wafers. It has a slim proven design for easy operation. Here you can see it on a real picture. It's a new 8 inch furnace at our customer on Semiconductor Czech Republic. Another product is vertical furnace. Compared to horizontal, it saves a lot of space. It's scalable for production or R&D applications. For this furnace, we have also internal automatic loading. It's so-called two-boat rotating system. So one boat can be loading or unloading, while second boat is in the process tube. Next product is a compact tabletop furnace. It's a small, unique, compact design, but keeps all the features of the grown-up furnace. So it's for standard atmospheric LPCVD and PECVD processes. It's really suitable for R&D sector. And we stay in R&D sector. For this sector, we also develop single wafer reactors. For example, atomic layer deposition reactor or high temperature MOCVD reactor. We participate on many projects. Now we have ongoing project for a Minimal Fab consortium. It's a Czech-Japan R&D project, and it's a construction and development of ALD reactor for thin film depositions on 12.5 mm wafers. Now we are getting to our ultra high purity gas delivery systems. We have automatic gas cabinets, 1, 2, 3 cylinder variants. We have valve manifold boxes with 2 typical modifications, and of course customized gas panels for various technologies. Here I wanted to show you some of our hookups, so-called hookups. It's photos from installation sites. We have a team of well-experienced welders who travel around the world, and I will show you some pictures. For example, Lithuania, Kaunas, Poland, Krakow, Russia, Moscow, and the final France, Paris. Equipment control system. We have a software division which develops our own control system. This system can be used not only in semiconductor industry, it's fully modular. Here are some detailed informations. It has reliable Linux platform, and in fact it's a set of hardware and software together. Here is some basic diagram of interconnection. And to summarize this, as you could see, we can provide not only furnaces, but also gas source systems and gas abatement systems, and of course hookups. So SVCS can deliver turnkey system solution to your needs. So thank you, Shushe.